In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams meetings not showing in Outlook. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. If your Teams meetings aren't appearing in Outlook, don't worry. This is usually a simple connection issue between the two apps, often tied to the Teams meeting add-in, outdated software, or a mismatch in accounts. We'll start with quick checks, then walk through the primary fix, and finish with reliable secondary solutions. Begin with a clean restart. Fully close both Microsoft Teams and Outlook, and make sure they're not still running in the system tray. Right-click their icons and select Quit so they completely shut down. Open Teams first, let it fully load, then open Outlook. This order helps re-establish the integration. Next, confirm you're signed in with the exact same Microsoft 365 Work or School account in both the Teams desktop app and the Outlook desktop app. Even a small difference, like being signed into a personal account in one and a work account in the other, can block the meetings from syncing. If you're still not seeing meetings, open the Outlook web app and check your calendar there. If your meetings appear online but not in the desktop app, the issue is local to your device's Outlook installation or sync state, which the next steps will address. Now for the primary fix. Enabling the Teams meeting add-in in Outlook. In Outlook, go to File, then Options, then Add-ins. Look for Microsoft Teams meeting add-in for Microsoft Office under Active Application Add-ins. If you don't see it there and it's listed under Disabled or Inactive, change the Manage drop-down at the bottom to COM Add-ins and click Go. In the list that appears, check Microsoft Teams meeting add-in for Microsoft Office, click OK, and then restart Outlook. This add-in is the connector that allows Outlook to surface Teams meeting options and appointments. If the add-in is active but the issue persists, update both apps. In Outlook, go to File, Office Account, Update Options, and select Update Now. In Teams, click your profile picture at the top right and choose Check for Updates, then give it a moment to apply. If syncing still misbehaves, clear the Teams cache. Exit Teams completely, open File Explorer, and paste %appdata %Microsoft Teams into the address bar. Delete all files and folders in that directory. Restart Teams, then restart Outlook. For stubborn cases, use the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to automatically diagnose and fix add-in issues. If needed, repair Office, open Control Panel or Settings, find your Microsoft 365 installation, choose Change or Modify, select Online Repair, and follow the prompts. By following these steps in order, you'll restore the Teams and Outlook connection and get your meetings showing again. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions.